Hey guys, welcome back to Bpomo's channel. Sama lolita stile kamsang. Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about Menla's product, and Menla is a Tibetan skincare brand made in India. So they've got lots and lots of beautiful products. They've got face wash, they have face cream, and all these products are recognized by Ayush. And best thing about Menla's product is they don't have SLDS, they don't use SLDS, no parabens, no silicons, no mineral oils, cold pressed oils, and they don't use any artificial colors or preservatives or fragrance. So that's why I like this product. And they have moisturizers, their textures are amazing, and the best thing is they are certified under PETA, not tested on animals, and they really care about animals as well. There is hair oil, there is, okay, let me fix that first. And next we have face wash. Menla has face cream, there is moisturizer. So one more thing, there is body oil as well. So all these Menla's products you can easily get it on their website. Then Menla has recently launched this beautiful travel package, all these small beautiful goodies, and you can check these texture, like very smooth, beautifully made, and all these are like natural products, Ayurvedic, and it will not affect your skin, or if you have very sensitive skin you can use, and it will not affect at all. Trust me guys. So guys, I've shared all the Menla's product, and I hope you guys have got a full detail regarding all Menla's product. So I'm gonna share what's my favorite Menla's product, and I'm gonna go with body oil. And this body oil is awesome, and I really love the smell, and it helps me relieve my stress, and I feel more relaxed after applying this body oil. So that's why I recommend each one of you, if you're working and if after coming from work you take a bath, you take a hot bath, and then you apply body oil and just sleep, it's so soothing. And yeah, maybe that's why I really like this product. So other than that, there are so many products which you should try, because these are all Ayurvedic, and it won't affect your skin or body or hair or anything like that. So you should really try, I feel, if you care about your body, your skin. So you can go with all these Menla's product. And if you cannot afford the bigger ones, you can always go with the smaller packet that is called a travel pack, where you will get all other stuffs, where you will get full a travel package containing of hair oils, face wash, face cream, everything, right? So you can go with that, and just at 400 rupees. So guys, if you really want to try these products and want to buy, you can check the link in the description box, and and you'll see the Menla's website, and you can find all these products online, and shipment is also free. But if you want a product discount, you can always come and buy it from me personally. You can contact me on my Instagram or on my WhatsApp. Yeah, so if you want it, you can get a special discount from me, and just write a message, or you can DM me on my Instagram, and I can send these products to you. So peace out, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have liked this video. Do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell.